How to create a birthday song with name. So what we can simply do is we will open our Google Chrome here, and after opening our Google Chrome, we will search for one happy birthday right here. I'm going to search for one happy birthday here, one happy birthday, and then we will simply click on it and we'll reach at its official website, and then we'll simply open the website and we'll get to see that it's find your name right there. So we can simply add the name of the person you want to wish, and then here we can see, then we can simply click on the name itself, and after clicking on the name, we will get an option of play birthday song. So if we click on the play birthday song, we will be simply able to create a birthday song with the name itself. So you can simply play and listen to the the birthday music song. So you can now use this audio in adding adding any pictures you want to, and you can wish birthday to your friends or family by using this easy website, and you can simply download the song here in your Android phone. So yeah, that is how to create a birthday song with name.